question we used to get asked a lot is it okay or should I use extra oil additives in my oil products? The short answer to that is no. And if you think that you need to add extra additives into your oil products, you've got the wrong products. That you know they're not good enough. Change brands, get a better oil. If you add additional products to a good oil, it will now become over-treated and no longer any good. You need to respect the fine balance that the engineers and the scientists have put into that blend and not add a bottle of whatever you think, hoping it's going to make it better. If the oil's any good, I guarantee it'll make it worse. And if you need to run it to keep your parts alive, you're definitely using the wrong oil. Change to a better brand or a more specific product. Don't use oil additives in engines, diffs, and if you need a stop leak, fix the leak. Stay up to date with what's going on. Click the subscribe button. If you liked the video or if it was helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your buddies. Any suggestions on future content, leave a comment below. We will be checking it. Thanks for watching.